Not every learner will excel immediately on rotation, and that is okay. Struggles during clinical rotations are common. The real question is, how do we respond? Today we will focus on turning difficult moments into developmental milestones. We will walk through the Rotation Performance Action Plan, a simple, structured tool to support learners who are struggling. You can find both a Microsoft Word and editable PDF version in Core Elms in the document library. Let's start with what's not going well. Begin by identifying the specific area of concern. Is it clinical reasoning, communication, time management? Be objective and focus on observable behaviors. Clarity is key. Instead of saying a learner is not prepared, try unable to independently develop a care plan or inconsistent medication reconciliation. Being specific helps the learner know exactly what to work on. Provide specific examples and include the when and the what. Concrete examples help the learner understand exactly what went wrong and why it matters. Include when the issue occurred, what happened, how did it affect the patient care or the team. Action plan for the learner. This is where we ask, what will the student do to improve? The action plan should be achievable, clear, and time-bound. For example, the learner might commit to reviewing protocols, practicing clinical scenarios, or using specific tools like checklists. The key here is ownership, so have the learner help craft this, not just passively receive it. The action plan for the preceptor involves coaching more than correcting. We are not just observers, we're coaches. What will you do to support this learner? Maybe it's daily feedback, extra check-ins, or modeling key skills. Determination of success. What does better look like? How will we know if a learner is improving? Define how you will know if the plan is working. Success should be observable. For example, the learner can identify abnormal vitals and communicates appropriately. Reevaluate is the title of the next section. Follow-up is everything. Set a time to revisit the plan and check in. Weekly is often ideal, but address things sooner if the issue is critical. Avoid waiting until the end of the rotation. Ongoing feedback is essential. This helps the learner stay accountable and gives you the chance to redirect or reinforce growth. And finally, signatures provide mutual accountability. Both the learner and the preceptor should sign the plan. It formalizes the process, but more importantly, it shows shared commitment. This isn't punishment, it's partnership. Struggles in clinical education are a natural part of learning. With the right structure, support, and accountability, challenges become growth opportunities. The Rotation Performance Action Plan helps guide learners through these moments. Thank you to all preceptors who go the extra mile. Your dedication shapes the future of healthcare, and we appreciate everything you do.